In this video, I'll show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP DeskJet 2827e printer. Step number 1 is to make sure that your printer is actually turned on. Then you'll come in front of the printer. You're going to stick your finger over here and lower this panel. Then from here, you're going to have to lower this other panel. Simply stick your finger and pull it down. Since the printer is turned on, you're going to have the cartridge slots being presented to you right in the middle. I'll show you in just a few seconds how to remove the cartridges if there is some already installed. Now let's remove the cartridges from the package. Now you're going to notice one of them has a magenta top, this one, and it says 3 color. This is where the cyan, the magenta, and the yellow colors are. And on the other one, it's simply the black ink cartridge. It's important to not mix them up. The color ink cartridge, the one with the magenta top, always goes on the left side slot, right over here. And the black one always goes on the right side. Let's start with the magenta. You're going to remove this sticker, just like that. Never touch the print head, okay? Never stick your fingers there. And you're going to hold the cartridge this way, with these contacts facing away from you. Now all you have to do is to bring it, okay, place it just like that, take your thumb and push it until it clicks in place. Do the same thing for the black ink cartridge, so I will remove this tape right over here. I'll bring it, I will glide it inside. I'll leave it like this, take my thumb and push it until it clicks. Now when time comes to replace these ink cartridges, take your finger, place it over the ink cartridge you wish to replace and push down. So let's say I want to replace the black ink cartridge. By pushing down, I will unlock it and then I can simply glide it out. So it's a very easy process. Once this is done, go ahead and close this door. And right away, the printer will register that you have replaced the ink cartridges. And in just a few seconds, you should see on the display over here, the ink levels being fully refilled, since these are 2 brand new ink cartridges. This is it. If you want cartridges for this specific printer, I'll put links down below towards Amazon. This way you make sure to buy the right type for this HP 2827e printer. So check this out, leave a like, subscribe, comment if this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.